Greetings. This year 2020 saw many unprecedented changes for which none of us were prepared. But Rajendra Vidyalaya, Sakchi Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, JH023, as an educational institute, took up this challenge and imparted education. Everything which we had taken for granted has become a sublime dream of the past. Physical interaction between teachers, students, parents have taken a backseat. But the flip side of the coin is that everybody has become tech savvy. All of us are juggling between scholastic and non-scholastic activities and doing it successfully. This is the new normal. The teaching learning process continued through different online apps, and periodic assessments were conducted to ensure that the process of learning is flowing smoothly. Not only teaching, but even PTMs are getting conducted online. There has been a smoother transition from online classes, and we are ready for a hybrid system of education. We have shifted smoothly from teacher-centric to learner-centric mode of education, leveraging technology to meet the needs of the Gen Next. The video will very clearly highlight how my teachers and my students have migrated from offline classes to online classes and have adapted it so very smoothly. Thank you.
and has also made us learn new technical skills.
Video descent are also very interesting.
I have become more tech savvy.
It has given us a number of apps such as Zoom, WhatsApp, etc. to explore learning not only academic based but also technologically based.
In order to bridge the gap between us and the students, we took to technology.
For online teaching, we teachers are using various platforms like WhatsApp, Zoom meeting and Google Meet. We teachers find it a better way to share our notes and worksheets to students. Zoom app and Google Meet provide a platform where everyone logs into a web conferencing system.
Educational institutions have moved to virtual classrooms in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Thanks to Zoom platform, as it offers many useful tools to support teaching and learning, such as screen sharing.
The Zoom app has served to be very helpful for all the students and the teachers. The teaching learning process did not get hampered due to this wonderful app.
I use Zoom, which is perfect to teach up to 100 students, and it has a great user interface. Then I use Microsoft Teams, which provides lag-free video calling. And for a smaller group, I use WhatsApp video calling and it consumes least data.
I use iMarkup app to prepare flowcharts to make the students understand the related concepts better. Along with that, I also use GIFs to demonstrate various phenomena to them, because this way they enjoy learning, they are able to visualize the phenomena and they learn better.
We all are living around few apps, and Zoom app is being proved like a boon for all the students, teachers and other employees.
We can include live demonstration, share screen and solve sums in the whiteboard.